no, no, no. Yo, Melvitto.
Hey lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. It's Genevieve Ezinwa here. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. So I'll be showing you in today's video how to make flat twist using needle and yarn thread. So I'll be showing you the tips and tricks and all you need to know about using needle and yarn thread to make your flat twist. Alright, so moving on to the hair, I'm patting out the back section of my hair and I'm going to plait it and put it aside so as to work with the front section first. Okay guys, so this is the yarn thread I'll be using to make my flat twist and also the needle. So I've gone ahead to pass the yarn thread through the needle. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you here, and after which I'll be patting out the very first hair that I'll be using to make my twist. So I'm applying the hair wax on my part so as to clean it out and slick it down properly, and also I'll apply the hair wax on my hair and comb it out so as to reduce all the knots on my hair. Yeah. So guys, I went ahead to grab my needle and then fold my hair to start my flat twist. Then I went ahead to pass the needle through my hair while holding down my hair with my pointer finger so it don't pull out. Here I slided the bottom of the thread underneath my hair and held it properly with my hair together, okay, while passing the needle again, okay. And also when I'm doing that, I'm folding my hair and pulling it, but not too tight so as to not to cause tension around your scalp, okay. So you don't want to make your hair and after all that you're looking all cute but your scalp is crying because it's hurting. No, we don't want that, okay. So you hold your hair and pull, but not too tight, all right. Then you go ahead and flat twist. So all you need to do is just to pass the needle through and bring it out from the other side, okay. Making a flat twist with needle and yarn thread is way easier. Like if you don't know how to make a flat twist, okay, this is a very good way for you to achieve that look. All right. You get to where you want to stop your flat twist or where your hair ends. All you need to do is just pull out the needle from the thread, okay. And once you do that, you use the thread and tie your hair and knot it up, okay. When you do that, grab a scissors and cut it out, okay. But if you don't want to do that, you can also do it another way, which is using the thread to make a plait. All right, just plait the remaining part of your hair, okay. I've seen some people do that too on YouTube and it came out cool, but what I did was I just used the thread to tie and secure it and just cut it out. All right, I just cut out the excess, so that was what I did, and you see that in a moment, okay. Yeah, and then after I was done with the whole hair, I went ahead to twist the remaining parts of my hair and secure them in place with a rubber band to create a little ponytail band. Yeah, so I'm going ahead to apply the wax on my hair okay? Then after which I'll comb it out to slick it all down, because you don't need knots on your hair, okay? You need to comb it out, all right? Because my hair is kind of thick, my natural hair is kind of thick, especially in the crown area. So in some part of this video you see me struggling trying to make my twists, okay? In the first twist that I made, I used the tip of the needle, okay? But I was being careful because my needle is sharp, like it's not blunt, okay? So if you know you won't be careful enough, all right? If you know when you use the tip of the needle, you hurt your scalp, all right? So you don't need to do that, okay? You need to either use the bottom of the needle or a blunt needle, okay? So the second twist that I'm making, I'm using the bottom of the needle or the eye of the needle, okay? So what I did was, first of all, I attached my thread, okay, to my hair and held it in place, then while using the bottom of the needle to make my twist. Okay, so I find out that using the bottom of the needle is a lot easier and is a lot safer, because you not bother about poking yourself. You just slide it through and bring it out from the other side, just pass it through and bring it out from the other side. But when you're using the tip of the needle, you have to be very careful, okay, so as not to hurt your scalp or poke your hand, okay? Just like I did in the first twist that I made, I used the tip of the needle and I was very slow because I was really being careful so as not to hurt myself, okay? So this one is a very good way of making your twist, okay, using the bottom of the needle, okay? So after this particular one I went ahead to use the bottom of the needle to just finish up all the entire hair, okay, because it was easier and it was a lot faster than using the tip of the needle, okay? So you can use either the bottom of the needle or the eye of the needle, or you can use a blunt needle, yeah, if that makes sense. So yeah, moving on, I'm pulling my hair and passing my needle through and bringing it out from the other side to make my twist, okay? All right guys, I'll allow you to watch and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here you can see me pulling my hair towards the left side while I pass my needle to make my twist, alright? So why I'm pulling my hair towards the left side is because I want my hair to lay by the side, okay? I don't want it to go all the way back, alright? The look I'm going for is I want it to slick by the side, alright? So that is why I'm doing that. But if you don't want to, you can just hold your hair and make your twist, okay? If you just want your hair to just go all the way back, you just hold it. You don't need to pull it towards the side, just hold it and yeah, pass your needle through and move on to create your flat twist. So I did the style and I was happy I did it. I was glad I did it because it came out pretty cool and yeah, I liked it. Alright, so this is basically what I'll be doing in this hair tutorial. It is not hard, it is pretty easy, anyone can do it, okay? If you're making your twist with needle and yarn thread, okay, and along the line you're threading your hair, your thread finishes before you get to the end of your hair, okay, what you need to do, of which I'm going to show you in a moment, is just to pull the needle out from the thread, okay? Then the little piece of the thread that is remaining, you slide it underneath your hair and hold it properly together with your hair, okay? And when you do that, you grab another needle and you start threading, okay? But what you do is when you thread with a new needle, okay, you move your hand a bit forward, like you go forward a bit, okay, to thread the ones that you used the previous needle to thread, okay, because you need to secure it for it not to pull out. Okay, this is threading, and if you don't tie it, knot it, and secure it properly, it will pull off. Okay, and you don't want to make your hair and you're looking all cute and threading your hair start pulling out. No, that is a no. Like, you don't want that. So that's what I'm showing you here. I pulled out the needle and grabbed the little piece of the thread and slide it underneath my hair, then grab another needle. Okay, also I held the bottom of the thread together with my hair, okay, just to secure it. Alright, then I'm moving on to pass the needle. Alright, so I went forward a bit, like I moved forward a bit to thread the ones that I've threaded before, okay, so as to secure it. Alright, yeah, then after which I went ahead to start threading all the way down. Yeah, that's basically it. Moving on to the other side of my hair, I went ahead to sleek my hair down, comb it out properly, then also putting my thread underneath my hair and holding it in place with my hands, okay, so as I'll go on to pass my needle. Okay, then passing my needle while I pull my hair towards the right side. Okay, in the other side, all right, I pulled my hair towards the left side, okay, because that is how I want it to lay. Then in this side, I'm pulling my hair towards the right side, okay, because that is how I want it to lay too. Okay, so if you want to achieve the same look, this is exactly what you need to do. Okay, when you are in the other side, you pull your hair towards the left side, and when you are in the right side, you pull your hair towards the right side. But remember, if you don't want to do the style, if you want your own to just go all the way back, you don't need to pull it towards any direction. Okay, then I'm pulling my hair and passing my needle, and yeah. Alright, so I went ahead to twist out the remaining parts of my hair and apply a little bit of gel on my hair and then tie them up and create a little bun. Okay, so this is the ponytail I'm going to be putting at the back of my hair. It's a DIY kinky ponytail that I made, okay, a DIY drawstring kinky ponytail. All right, I'm not going to leave it like this. You can if you want to, but the look I'm going for is a bonbon kind of situation, a bonbon kind of look. All right, I'm not going for a flowing kind of ponytail hairstyle, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm going ahead to divide the hair into different sections and make a twist out of them, and after which I'll grab a bobby pin and then secure them in place to create a bun. Okay, so if you have stayed with me to the end of this video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, so please kindly hit the red subscribe button so you can get subscribed to my channel and join the family. Okay, you need to support your girl. All right, please, and also kindly turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a video like this. All right, and also like my video, give this video a thumbs up if you think I did good, if you think I tried. Also share my videos, and you can drop your questions, suggestions, comments, whatever in the comment section down below, and I'll do it to check them out and I'll reply to every one of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Bye.